In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download audio in Canva. To get started, open Canva and sign into your account if needed. Once you're on the main dashboard, go ahead and open the design that contains the audio you want to work with. This could be a video project, a presentation, or any design where an audio track has already been added. The important thing is to make sure you're opening the correct file before moving on, so you don't accidentally download content from the wrong project. After your design is open, take a moment to let everything fully load. If your project includes multiple pages, video clips, or several media elements, Canva may need a few seconds to display everything properly. This helps avoid confusion later, especially when you're trying to locate a specific audio file. Next, upload your files if the audio is not already inside the project. To do that, look for the Upload section in Canva and add the media you need from your device. Once the upload is complete, you should be able to see the file appear in your Uploads library. If your audio is already part of the design, you can simply move on to the next part without uploading anything new. It's always a good idea to confirm that the correct file was added, especially if you have several similar audio clips saved on your device. Now select the audio you want to download. Click on the specific audio element inside your design or choose it from the relevant media area, depending on how your project is set up. Make sure you're selecting the exact track you need, particularly if your design contains background music, voiceovers, sound effects, or multiple layered audio clips. Being precise here will save you time and help prevent mistakes. As you do this, pay attention to the audio length and placement in your design. This can help you confirm that you've chosen the right file. If necessary, listen to a short preview before continuing, just to be certain. And that's the basic process. Open Canva, open your design, upload your files if needed, and select the audio you want to download. Following these steps carefully makes the process smoother and helps you stay organized, especially when working on larger projects with multiple media assets. Once you've confirmed the correct audio selection, you'll be ready to continue with the next part of your workflow.